guys, welcome back to my vlog. I hope you're doing well. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Like, I'm so tired. Oh, I don't even know. Like, I'm a bit like, I feel like I need more sleep. You know, like when you just feel like you woke up and you're having like this migraine. Oh, and you're thinking, oh god, why am I having migraine? I normally have that all the time. Like, not all the time, like once in a while. I'm having that today. And I feel like going back to bed. Yeah, I feel like going back to bed and sleep. It's been a bit, the weather has just been funny today. It's just funny weather. This week is just not really a good week. It's been really cold. To be honest, no matter how long you lived in this country, you still gonna complain cold. You still gonna complain, oh, I'm cold, I'm freezing. You're still gonna complain. And you're still gonna be miserable, tired, stressed. Oh no. Yeah, so but anyways, I'm not one of those ones that complain. I don't like to complain. Just give glory to God in anything. That we are alive today. There's some people that are not alive. We thank God that we woke up every morning, we are alive. That's all matters. Yeah, so today's vlog is going to be unboxing. I've got a lot of PR that need to be unboxed, so I'm expecting quite a lot as well. So yeah, it's gonna be unboxings. Yeah, guys, like I don't know, like people are watching my vlog but they are not liking, like press the thumbnail. No, people are watching my vlog but they are not, commenting or liking. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. It's a bit frustrating where you put your hard work and then people just watch it and move on. They don't bother to even make comments or like or something. Like, it's just a bit weird. So let me show you guys what I got from TikTok shop again. This sample just arrived. Okay. Yeah, I think this one is a bag. Yeah, this one is a bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. This bag is so cute. Oh gosh. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. Let me check the inside. Let me show you guys the inside. Oh, it's cute. This is the inside. Oh, how cute is this? Okay. Next one. Okay, this one is a skirt. So this skirt is actually going viral on TikTok at the moment. Yeah, this is a skirt. This looks so small. This is gonna be small for me though. And this is me. Is it? Did I can't remember what size I chose. I think I choose size medium, small. Oh my god, why did I take small? I should have choose medium. Oh my god, it's so tiny. But anyway, this skirt was trending, literally trending on TikTok. So I was like, why not get myself one and see how it goes? Oh my god, this is so tiny. This is gonna be tiny for me. Oh my god, this is tiny. Anyways, we'll see. But it comes with a different size. I thought that size small would be okay, but nah. Anyway, let's open the next one. I think this one is a wig. Yeah, this one is a wig. And I think this one is the goodies that comes with the wig. Yeah, it is a wig. Yeah. It's a curly wig. Yeah, this is a curly wig. Oh, this is beautiful. Yes, look. This is so beautiful. I don't know how many inches is this, but it's so lovely. This is 13 times 6. Yeah. This is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. The wig is so nice, guys. So let's open this one. This one is from Catch Me. If you know, this one is from Catch Me, from TikTok shop. And this is 2-piece. Should I call it 2-piece cardigan? Yeah, this is a 2-piece wear. Brown. It comes with a cardigan and with trousers. If I know, I should just pick. I'm not sure which size I chose. This one is. I don't even know. But anyway, so yeah, this looks so cozy. Yeah, this looks so nice and cozy. Yeah. I'll show you guys what I got from TikTok shop. I got some lights from TikTok shop. So I just decided to share it to you guys. I have quite a lot of lights at home, but I'm always want to get this one, and then I think this is the time. Okay. guys, so I just did unboxing. I forgot to film myself, but anyways, yeah, I just finished unboxing this. I don't even know what it's called. This is how it looks like. So I'm already halfway, on halfway putting it together. You know those shelf? Should I call it shelf, where you can put your shoes or your bags? So it's quite easy to put together.